Well, so the downside of an irrevocable trust is it can't be changed. That maybe there may be a reason to do that at the outset when you create it, and it does lock you in. So there may be a downside later. And I'll give you an example. I had a client, I created a trust for her and her husband. He got married later in life. He'd had a prior relationship that ended in divorce. He had 3 adult children. She had no children. And they decided that they would create a trust called a Q-tip that's not terribly important, but it was basically an A-B trust, an A trust and the B trust component part. And they wanted it to be irrevocable. So when they signed it, there could be no amendments. And she knew that with her money, she actually had a greater portfolio than he did, and she owned a house. She was going to give to her nieces and nephews the bulk of her estate when she passed away. Well, she now has gotten to see one of her nieces and has a less favorable view of her because she decided to have a great big battle with her brother. And she believes that her brother was wronged by this lady, and she wanted to remove her. And I said, well, unfortunately, your trust is irrevocable now, and that's what you wanted to do. And she said, okay, fine.